we are in Mexico, and we are here with...
Vinit Patel, Chief Engineer of Mahindra Racing.
Next year, Mahindra will be a manufacturer of their own powertrain. So you are evolving, and why you choose to become a manufacturer?
It's quite simple, really. It's technological advancement, and Mahindra has always been wanting to be at the forefront of electric vehicle technology. They started quite a long time ago, before a lot of the current road manufacturers did, with a smaller project, and with Formula E they're aiming to be at the sharp end of the developments of both battery and powertrain technology.
So in the near future maybe we will see on the road something coming out from the Formula E development.
Definitely. The transferable technology in Formula E is very high to the road. Right now we could take our electric motor with a bit of software reprogramming. It would be useful for a city car, or it would be useful for a performance car. It's been specified for Formula E, but it's not too far away from being a production capable product.
In the next year you will stay with the current selection of the gearbox, or you will change maybe to single gear or something else?
In Season 4 we do plan quite a few evolutions of our current package. I can't really disclose what they are, but they will centre around some gearbox developments, motor development and control unit development, and everything is tailored towards increasing efficiency. So we made a very large step from Season 2 to Season 3. From Season 3 to Season 4 will be a smaller step, but it will still be in the same direction. It's all about efficiency, transferring as much of the chemical power from the battery to the wheels on the road.
And this also is what matters in the electric cars of every day. The energy goes from the battery as much as possible to the road.
Yeah, there's the benefits of electric vehicles on the road to the consumer at home. Electricity is much cheaper than fuel, it's taxed less, but also the efficiency of an electric powertrain is much higher than your combustion engine. There are less losses, less pollutants, and in general it's a much more forward-thinking way to get from A to B as a transport method without costing the environment and costing your own wallets much.
Okay, talking about the race of today, we know that this circuit put a lot of stress to the battery as a temperature. So increasing efficiency in the next races will also improve this situation. How you are coping today with the battery heat?
We have lots of models that we run through before every race that simulate the race, and it's specific for that country or that event. So here we have the altitude to cope with, which reduces cooling performance, but we model everything. So before we arrive we have a huge range of data to look through to ensure we have different scenarios covered. So yes, the main drawback is how hot the battery gets, and that does limit our performance, but we drive to that limit, so we know when to get to the limit and how to get the most before reaching it.
Thank you very much.
No problem.